Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am showing you how I made this Cajun seasoning. I've not yet tried it, but it looks right. But I did find out a few things when I was making it. But if this sounds interesting to you to make your own Cajun seasoning like I did, then please keep on watching. And as always, my ingredients will be down in the description box below in case you don't want to just keep on rewatching it. But yeah, let's head on to the video. First off, I am going to start off with 9 tablespoons of paprika. As you can see here, it levels out to about that much. And then I am going to go in with 6 tablespoons of fine kosher salt. Is what it actually asks for, but I just have regular kosher salt. I think it'll be fine. Now I'm going to put 6 tablespoons of garlic powder, and that's a lot of garlic powder. I'm gonna have to get me some more just to make sure that I have enough for next month. Now I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of ground black pepper. I'm just going to keep shaking it and stuff and leveling it out because it just looks cute that way right before I shake it at the end. And now I'm using 3 tablespoons of ground white pepper. I had to accumulate my white pepper and put it in the same container. Then I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of onion powder. So this uses less onion powder than garlic powder. There's a lot of garlic powder in this recipe. Then I am putting 3 tablespoons of dried oregano. I did not know oregano was in Cajun seasoning, so that was interesting to know. And then for the heat, it only calls for 3 tablespoons, but I know that's a lot more pungent than a lot of spices, so hopefully it won't be, I think it'll be about right. And then the last thing is going to be 1.5 tablespoons of dried thyme, and I had ground dry thyme. I just got that little container and it goes a long way. I don't think I'm going to really need to purchase a big one unless it's just a lot cheaper for more. But yeah, look how cute it is all together like it is. And now I have to shake it. That way it'd be all combined together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. I hope you try it. If you have already tried it already or any comments, just leave them in my comment box below so we can talk about it. This is the first time I did it and I just needed Cajun seasoning, so I figured why not just make my own. I love Cajun seasoning. Normally they're only in the little containers, so I use them up pretty fast, so why not use it of what I already got, make my own. I don't know how much they normally are though, but I guess it don't matter. Anyway, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye.